Well, there's two farmsteads behind me. One of them, they haven't put sandbags down. They didn't realize this river would be doing what it's doing right now, so they didn't prepare, and now it's come up really fast. The roads are washed out on both sides of their farm, so they can't get supplies in very easily, like sandbags and stuff. So they called us for help, and we called the National Guard for help.
Actually, they're good to go. It's dry as can be, but they're in a bowl, and it's diked all the way around it. And what he was trying to do is get the road to go through and faster. And once that started, I don't know if he did it or whatever, but once it started to a road, it took the whole road out within minutes. And when it did that, it lowered 6 inches instantly. So we put about 30 yards of sandbags down in the very lowest spot, and it looks like it should be good to go. We did what we thought we needed to do, and then got everybody out of there safely. I don't think they're going to get any water. This road may go, and they may be stuck in there. You know, they may be stuck in there, but they're not going to be wet. Their house is not going to get wet. You know, they're
just busy working, building dikes around there in the yard. Well, here comes my son in the Bronco. He's gonna see if he can make it through the water. Went to work this morning and went north on the county road, and the river was coming across.
I'll call you back in a little bit.
Across the road, and it was probably just a couple inches.
Go that way.
A couple inches deep, and that was at 6:30.
Should I even go?
And he called at 9, and it was really coming across. We appreciate everything that people have been doing. We just can't thank people enough.
All right.
Just gotta go back and thank the kids for coming, even though we can't take them across the water and have them in the house and help us. But we just thank everybody for everything they've done. We appreciate it.
Yeah, that's just this Saturday. And I better not miss it.
What's your prom dress?
My prom date just lost his house in Sheldon. You know this. And I've had issues with dresses and everything, and I'm just not meant to go to prom this year, I guess. or
How are they gonna get across? You're gonna take you to drive or?
yep, but they're taking.
Are they trying to divert it or what? Must be loading up.
I don't want them.
Cannot
I don't want them
justify
there if it's
getting the kids across there, and then you may have them there.
When my husband called me, he said just if we can get stuff out of the house, but I don't know if it's even. I think that was before he even cut the road, and but yeah, I don't want anybody in there. I mean,
Exactly.
it's. I left home at 6:30, and who would have known
Yep.
That-
Nope. I'm agreeing.
that this was going to happen in 4 hours?
Yep. I'm agreeing.
This road is a little bit coming across.
Oh, that one.
More guys down there, and as soon as the bags we have down there are set, he's thinking about calling it. He doesn't want a bunch of people stranded.